morning students. Today we are going to actually start with new lesson Gadge Maharaj, but then before that, at the bottom of the question, this question was left, question number 2. First we will complete this question and then I will start explaining you, or I will tell you story of Sant Gadge Maharaj. Okay, now we have to write down one line about an ocean. What one line we can write down about ocean? Here it is given. What line, one line we can write down about ocean? We can write down about oceans is like this. Oceans are very deep. More, what we can write? Come on, tell what we can write more. We can write down a very big sea is called an ocean. A very big sea is called an ocean. Okay, ocean floor. What is ocean floor? Ocean floor means what? The bottom of the ocean is known as ocean floor. What it is? The bottom of the ocean. The bottom of the ocean is known as ocean floor. Third one is an island. What we can write down about island? What is island? Island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. Okay, what we can write down about island? I am writing here a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides is known as an island. Understood? So you have to learn. I think so in the exam this question is there. I think in exam this question is there. You have to learn this answers. All three you have to learn. Okay. Now we are going to start with new lesson. Lesson number 36. Gadge Maharaj. We are going to talk about whom? We are going to talk about today Gadge Maharaj. Gadge Baba was a modern saint. He lived many years ago, but he is still remembered for the great work he did in thousands of places. What did he look like? Silver hair, brown eyes and fair skin, big, tall and stout body. He wrapped a lungi around the waist and wore a torn but clean shirt. A cloth shoe adorned one foot while the other foot was many times bare. He always carried a bowl and a stick. Because of this bowl or gadge, people started calling him Gadge Baba or Gadge Maharaj. His real name is Debuji Jhingraji Janorkar. What is his full name? Here it is given. Debuji Jhingraji Janorkar is his full name. Okay. Now in short, his explanation is given, or appearance of Sant Gadge Maharaj is given in the Sant Gadge Maharaj is given in the lesson. Now here, how does he looks? He has silver hair, brown eyes, and his skin is white. Goret disaila, okay. And his body is stout and tall. He is tall and his body is stout. And he used to wrap. Wrap means what? He used to put lungi around his waist, and he used to wear shirt upside, and that shirt was torn, but it was very clean. It was never it was black shirt or stained shirt. Never he had used like that shirt. And in one foot he used to wear shoes which are made of cloth, and in another leg never he had any shoes. ओके, वन लेग बेअर इट वॉज. बेअर मीन्स पायात काहीच नसायचं त्यांच्या एका, आणि एका पायामध्ये नेहमी कापडी शूज असायचे, कापडाने तयार केलेले. अँड wherever he used to go, that time he used to carry a bowl in his hand. In Marathi it is called gadgad, and in one hand stick. And so people started calling him Gadge Maharaj or Gadge Baba. Understood? And his real name is what? Debuji Jingraji Zanurkar. Debuji Jingraji Zanurkar was his real name. Okay, you have to learn this name, huh? Debuji Jingraji Zanurkar was his real name. And what happened further? He never stayed long in one place. He slept only on a rough blanket and used only his own arm as a pillow. He roamed from village to village, spreading his message of cleanliness, humanity, and the importance of education. He was not bothered by hunger or thirst. What he liked was bhajan, kirtan, and teaching people. Thousands of people flocked to listen to his kirtan. His kirtans used to be very lively. He would not simply give lectures. He would often put questions to the audience to keep up their interest. Then he would show them how absurd they were in their words and actions. For example, he would ask, how many gods are there? Everyone will say that one. You worship Khandoba, Masoba, Viroba, Vitthal, and so on. You worship many more, don't you? Then everyone will say yes. Your actions show that you believe that there are number of gods, and yet you said a little while ago that you worship one God. Were you asleep then? Understood or not? In this what we call, there is a point in this answer. When question is asked to you, how many gods are there, what you say? There is only one God. एकच देव असतो, सगळ्यांचा देव एकच आहे. But when we go in different temples, we go and worship Khandoba, we go and worship Vithoba, we go and worship Vitthal, we go and worship Sai Baba, we go and worship Shankar. There are many gods, and then what he is sharing, when he asked question about how many gods are there, everyone is giving answer one. And when he is getting answer one, then what he is saying? Then why you are going in so many temples? Correct or not? Some point is there in that. In this way, he used to ask questions to the audience in his kirtans, and his kirtans were very lively. Whose Gadge Maharaj kirtans were very lively, and he gave importance to the. He used to give importance to education. He used to give importance to cleanliness, and he used to give importance to humanity. Cleanliness, humanity, and education. Keep in mind these three things: cleanliness, education, and humanity. He had given importance to these three things. Keep in mind. And remaining part of this lesson we will study in Thursday's period. If it is possible, on Monday I will send you I will send you video related to this lesson. Okay, thank you.